Assalamu alaikum to all my friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. We will learn today how to write this type of words. As you can see, Allahu Akbar and Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you how to write it in Microsoft Word by using keyboard shortcut. So at first, you have to type as like FDF and different type of words we will use in the bracket that I'm gonna tell you later. And then I have to press Alt key plus X key on the keyboard together. So for writing Allahu Akbar, I'm gonna type F, D, F2 and I'm gonna press Alt plus X key together. And as you can see, Allah is writing. And for Akbar, I'm gonna write FDF 3 and I'm gonna press Alt plus X key together, and as you can see, the Akbar is written on the screen. Similarly, for writing Muhammad, we have to type FDF4 and then press Alt plus X key together. And we know when we say the name of our Prophet Muhammad, and after that we have to say sallallahu alaihi wasallam must. So for writing sallallahu alaihi wasallam, type FDF A and press Alt plus X key together. And now we will write another sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now I'm gonna write Rasul. For that I have to type FDF and then 6 and press Alt plus X key together again. Firstly, type FDF9 and press Alt plus X key together again. And we have known before how to write Allah, so write it. So type FDF2 and press Alt plus X key together. And then I'm gonna write alayhi. For writing alayhi, type FDF7 and press Alt plus X key together again. And now I want to write wasallam. That's why I'm going to type FDF 8 and I'm gonna press Alt plus X key together. So I hope you have got the shortcut method of writing these Arabic words in MS Word. If you don't understand something in this video, you can comment us. And now I'm gonna show you a chart at a glance. I hope you will get it properly. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe my channel to learn more things. Assalamu alaikum.